My name is Mark Brown and I'm the company director of editorskeys.com. We basically sell a range of shortcut keyboards and recording equipment, all designed for filmmakers and audio producers. And we're based in Manchester city centre. So the primary product we sell is a shortcut keyboard, and essentially they look like a normal keyboard, but they're covered with tons of shortcuts for your favourite program. So if you're a video editor, they help you just edit much faster than ever before. We've also got a range of products under our Studio Series brand. We have USB microphones, portable vocal booths, and other sorts of recording equipment. We've just essentially got 3 of us here at the moment. We've got Rob, who is our product designer. He helps design the keyboards, the shortcut icons that you'll see on the keyboards and the covers that you use. We also have Lewis, who's our videographer, who helps us produce some of the YouTube content that we're doing, some of the instructional videos, product videos. Occasionally we get sent photos of people using the products, and recently we had a photo someone had sent us of Snoop Dogg editing on one of our keyboards in a studio. Knowing we've just created this in such a small environment, and then you see the little product you've made out in the big world and someone you admire is using it, that's a really big achievement for us. eBay is super easy, and I definitely recommend it to anyone starting out, because if you've got a product idea, eBay is a place where you can, within minutes now, just take a few photos on your phone, create a listing, and you can have that product up for sale. And that was certainly the case for us. And our first few sales were from the US. This website had opened up the entire world to something small that we were creating at home, and really just kickstarted our entire business. We do honestly owe a lot to eBay.